you all, welcome back. This is Eunice with Florida Training Academy, and in this video we're going to show you how to wash your hands in preparation for the Certified Nursing Assistant Exam Prep course. So remember, with hand washing, if you touch the inside of the sink, you're going to have to say correction, start over, and they're usually, for the state of Florida, 2 nurses who may be evaluating you. So you just want to make sure that you wash your hands thoroughly. And remember, you'll physically wash your hands before and after each skill or until your nurse tells you otherwise. Let's get started. I'm going to turn the water on. You don't have to use a napkin to turn the water on, but we do so at Florida Training Academy. So I'm going to turn that stream down just a little. Testing the water temperature to make sure it's warm. Wet both hands, allow to dangle. You do not need a barrier on the soap, but we're going to get enough soap to make sure that we have suds that will form on our hands. We're going to wash the palms, the backs, in betweens, around the wrist, and up and down every finger. Keeping your hands lower than your elbows. Repeat, palms, backs, in betweens, around the wrist, up and down every finger. And your goal is to provide 20 seconds of friction. And we repeated it twice just so you remember the steps. Last, we clean the cuticle and under the nail, around the cuticle and under the nail. Remember, if your fingernails are longer than the tips of your fingers, your nails are too long, they could pose a safety hazard for your patients because you could scratch or tear their skin. And so make sure your nails are cut down for the state of Florida examination. I'm now going to rinse, keeping my hands lower than my elbows. I'm going to dangle. Cut off my water. Do not reuse this napkin. I'm going to dry starting where I am wet, so I'm going to pat and hold. You're not supposed to rub with the napkin because you can leave the napkin's particles on your skin. And again, if you touch the sink, you need to start all over again, or at least let the nurse know that you recognize that you made a mistake. Keep drying until you have removed all of the moisture from your hand. And once the washing process is complete, you can go ahead and start your skill. All right, everybody, this is Nurse Eunice with Florida Training Academy. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.